Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Nilofer. Welcome back to my homely food channel. Today I am going to share my Amazon style recipe is Mutton Korma. Honestly, it's so simple to make and incredibly tasty. Before moving further, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. And don't forget to like and share this video. So ingredients are going to need to marinate the mutton. Now we have 250 gram of curd. Now I am adding regular red chili powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and I am adding 1 to 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Also I am adding Kashmiri red chili powder 1 to 2 teaspoon, which adds very nice color and flavor but not the heat. Also adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Mix all these ingredients very nicely with the help of the mixer. Now I have 500 gram of mutton. I cleaned it and washed it with warm water. Now I am adding curd and spices mixture which we have prepared before. And then we need to add some whole garam masalas. We have 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon and 2 to 4 cloves, 6 to 8 black pepper scones and half teaspoon mace. Now I am adding mustard oil 1 to 2 tablespoons. Mix all these spices with the meat and leave it for the 30 to 45 minutes. Marination process is very important for the meat to reach the perfect tenderness and rich flavor to the korma. Now we need fried onion. I'm frying 1 medium sized onion. Keep frying this onion until golden brown. Now we have crispy golden brown onion that will need to add in middle of the cooking. Now I am using pressure cooker and add 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Now we need to add 1 medium size onion paste and saute very well until its raw smells disappear. After sauteing onion, I am going to add our marinated mutton. Mix it and keep stirring mutton over the low flame. Now cook the mutton over the medium flame up to 6 to 8 whistles of pressure cooker. Now release the pressure and check whether the mutton gets cooked or tender, and you will be able to see the oil comes on surface. Look at this is nice color of the korma. Now I am adding coconut and cashew paste. This is very important for it has the taste of this korma. And then I am adding 1 tablespoon fried onion paste. Mix it well and cook it again over the low flame until oil comes on surface. And don't forget to add a few drops of kevra water. Now our mutton korma is ready to serve. This mutton korma is very popular in most Indian and Pakistani restaurants because of its creamy and luxurious texture and taste. Enjoy this mutton korma with your family. That's it for the day. I'm leaving now. If you like my video, please let me know and comment below. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.